have to take advantage of all the companies that are coming out with products for your scalp. Hi, I'm Gigi, and today I'm going to talk to you about the products that I've been trying out for the scalp, not for the hair, for the scalp. And I'll do a video with each one individually and give you more of an explanation. But I just wanted to let you know the ones that I've been using and how well they've been working. Actually, these are one of my favorite ones, besides the De Lorenzo ones that you have previously seen in other videos. One of the ones you can see here is the Wee Wee products. These products for the scalp are absolutely amazing. They have one for night, and then they have one for the daytime. And I've been using them to go to bed, and then I wake up and I shampoo my hair. So this is not a product that you leave in the hair. This is a product that you have to shampoo maybe twice. The other one that I've been really using a lot and that I really like as well is the new. So this one, this company comes with supplements. It has an array of different products of supplements, plus also for your scalp. It's an incredible company. It's very resourceful, and it's easy for you to find and track ingredients. It's a product that you shampoo out. And Gizu. Gizu was such an amazing product for me to try. This company, all of its products are honey infused. And again, it's a company that I love to go to their website, because if you click on the ingredient, it tells you each one what the ingredient does, if you have any questions about it. Now, this is the only one that you don't have to shampoo out. This one, I put it at night and I wake up in the morning and it doesn't even seem like I have product on my scalp. It works incredibly well. It's a serum. You shake it prior to. It's just so soothing. I really like this product, especially if my scalp is itchy. But this is not a product that you have to shampoo out. Now, I have not tried this product on oily scalp, but I can tell you that for normal to dry scalp, it's just amazing. I really like it. We have to take advantage of all the companies that are coming out with products for your scalp, because right now with our lifestyle, medicines that we have to take, stress, dietary issues, that causes for not only for our hair to fall, sometimes it causes our hair to thin out and it doesn't grow back the same. Right now that we have so many options, we have the flexibility to try one company and see if you like it. If not, you try another company, considering your lifestyle and what is causing for your hair to fall and thin. I'm very excited to see so many companies out there really targeting and looking out for our well-being when it comes to our scalp. It's essential. So this are the products that for the scalp that I have found that work really well. Depending on your lifestyle is the one that I would choose. So look out for the videos that I'm going to do individually for each one, so that way you know if this is the one that works for you. So I hope that you really like this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember that healthy scalp is healthy hair, and healthy hair is shiny hair. You take care. Goodbye. Ciao.